Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Introduction to Cultural Studies, Week 1, Assignment 1. So the first question is, art is not something that is, so these are the option, and the answer of our first question is C, produced out of vacuum by the artist. And now let's go to our question number 2. Max Horkheimer and Theodore Adorno belong to the, so these are the option, and the answer of our second question is A, Frankfurt School. And now let's go to our question number 3. The term blockbuster that is used to define hugely successful movies come from the domain of, so these are the option, and the answer of our third question is B, war. And now let's go to our question number 4. The ideological and repressive state apparatus are forms of, so these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is C, control. And now let's go to our question number 5. Through his conceptualization of dielectrical materialism, Marx moved away from the humanism in the philosophy of. So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is C, Feuerbach. And now let's go to our question number 6. The narratives of Europeans hunting in colonial spaces often become an ideological metaphor for. So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is D, the dominance over colonial native population. And now let's go to our question number 7. Eurocentric Orientalism highlights the dash quality of imagination. So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is B, political. And now let's go to our question number 8. Repeatability and fixity are, so these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is complementary. And now let's go to our question number 9. According to Bhabha, the colonial discourse produces the colonized as a fixed reality which is at once an other and yet dash. So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is A, entirely knowable and visible. And now let's go to our question number 10. According to Bhabha, the colonizers aims to suited an origin for themselves which is, so these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is D, pure. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.